Hi, today I am going to teach you how to bypass the port of dcm4chee. So first of all, we need to open our dcm4chee server archive 5. This is the most latest version. See this, our archive 5 is using on the default port 8080. So if we want to bind this on the any subdomain address or the main domain address, we must need to bypass this port so that we can set up the SSL on it and whatever security we need to use for the dcm4chee. So what should we do? First of all, we need to open start the dcm4chee server, okay, and connect the server where dcm4chee installed. I have already connected it. So first of all, what should I do? I need to install the Nginx web server in it. So first I need to copy the command and check first updates. Okay, it's done. Now we need to install the Nginx in the server where dcm4chee is installed. Why? Yes, Nginx is installing on our server. After that, we need to make some changes, and our port 8080 will be bypassed, and our dcm4chee web server directly work on this IP address. So first of all, we need to connect the server or any FileZilla or any other software you are using. I am using WinICP, so I have already connected my server. So we need to go to etc, and then we need to open the we need to open the folder of Nginx, and then sites available, and here is the default configuration file of the Nginx. We need to open it. See, file is open. What should we do? We need to scroll down, leave all the default as the setting is already integrated in it. So what should we do? We need to remove this line, try files. We need to put this code, this proxy. Don't copy the location because you can see the location is already here. So we just need to copy these lines, copy this code and just paste it here and delete this. Okay, here. Okay, now we need to bypass the port which we are bypassing the port. We need to bypass the port 8080. Okay, so what should we done? We have to remove this one, and we need to remove this line and type the port 8080, the dcm4chee's default port, this port. Okay, and after that we need to put the Control S, save. We need to whether the file is saved or not. Yeah, it's completed. And now we need to check the file is working correct or not. So what should we do? We need to copy this one and check. Yeah, it's successful. It means we don't have made any mistake. It should be worked absolutely fine. Now we need to restart the Nginx. This one. Yes. Okay, let's see. It's opening. See this on the port. Now we need to remove the port 8080. See this. See, dcm4chee is start working without any port. Now you need to connect domain or whatever SSL on it easily. This dcm4chee is 100% working on without the port, without its default port. Now you need to connect the domain or whatever you want use for the in dcm4chee. Okay, hopefully you like my video, and please do subscribe my channel for more updates related to the DICOM and PAC server. Thank you very much.